Why do earthquake occurs? Have you ever thought what makes the ground tremble? Trembling or shaking of the earth is known as earthquake. Now notice this. I throw a stone into a pond. From the point the stone fell, the wave that spread through the water in all directions. In the same way, movements like waves are set up on the ground. If some earth on the rock or somehow disturbed, depending on the force that made waves or tremble called as earthquake, mankind faces huge loss due to the unconditional shakes. An earthquake is an unpredictable natural disaster that causes damage to lives and property. It happens suddenly and we cannot stop it, but we can be alert from it before it arrives, so that we have made a device which can detect the force of the waves and tremble called as pre-earthquake detector. Now we are going to see the types of earthquake waves. Traveling of P waves. Traveling of Rayleigh waves. Traveling of S waves. Traveling of Love waves. This is the prototype model of the pre-earthquake detectors, which can sense the vibration and gives the alert. Also, we have added some programming language software to detect it by notification. By recording the wavelength of the slight movement of the land waves or magnets, this device can able to detect the smallest of rumbles even when we can't sense them. By its point of origin of the earthquake, we can easily get the alert notification accurately by detecting them. For example, we can take a smartwatch which can able to track heart rate of the human body. It calculates the heartbeat by measuring it. When the heartbeat turns normal to high, it gives the alert message to us. Same like this, keep the human heart as the central point of the land. When the heart rate is normal to high, the watch gives us the high alert notification. Such like that, our device is calculating the land waves every time. When the earthquake waves get stronger, then our device gives the high alert to us so that we can save our lives and be happy.